According to the investigating officer, the respondents were arrested on 3rd of June on suspicion of having committed an offense of abduction contrary to section 359 of the Penal Code, and that during the incidents, they injured the complainant, who went to hospital for treatment, and a P3 form is yet to be filled by the doctor to ascertain the degree of injury, which will then inform the charge the respondents are likely to be charged with. The IO states further that he wishes to confirm the immigration status of the 1st to 5th respondents, who are Nigerian nationals, and states that he had no time to do so since the respondents were arrested over the weekend and the immigration offices were closed. I have considered this application and the submissions by the parties, and the issue for determination is whether the application by the investigating officer is merited. The counsel for the first accused, for the first respondent, stated that the first respondent in particular was lawfully present in Kenya and had a wife and children in Kenya. He, however, did not provide a passport to confirm the legal status of the said respondent. Having a wife and children cannot be the sole basis for determination of the status of the immigration status of the first respondent. He ought to have availed documents from the immigration officer, and in the absence of any such documents, the court finds that the application by the investigating officer for time to verify that the immigration status is merited. I believe the 3 days that are sought are reasonable. As for the 6th and 7th respondents, there was no objection to their release on cash bail. I will therefore make the following orders. One, that the application by the investigating officer partly succeeds. The 1st to 5th respondents will be remanded in custody for a period of 3 days to enable the IO complete the investigations, in particular confirm the immigration status. Number two, the 6th and 7th respondents may be released on cash bail of 100,000 shillings each, with one contact person,